How can I stop receiving spam emails permanently?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a problem almost everyone with an email address has faced: spam emails. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and sometimes risky, with phishing attempts lurking in the mix. So how can you permanently stop receiving spam emails? We'll go through it step by step in this guide.
What is spam?
Let's start by understanding what spam is. Simply put, spam emails are unsolicited messages sent in bulk, usually for commercial purposes. They could be harmless advertisements, or they could be malicious attempts to steal your data.
Why am I receiving spam emails?
Now, you might be wondering, why am I receiving spam emails in the first place? There could be several reasons for this, but primarily, your email address might have been sold to a spam list, or your email address might have been harvested from websites where it's publicly displayed.
How to minimize spam?
So, how can we tackle this issue? The goal is to minimize the amount of spam that enters your inbox. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Never reply to spam. Replying to spam, even to unsubscribe, often just verifies that your email is active and can lead to more spam. 2. Use the spam filter. Your email client likely has a spam filter. Use it. Mark spam emails as spam so that the filter gets better over time. 3. Avoid posting your email publicly. If you need to, use a secondary email address. 4. Be careful with who you give your email to. Only give out your email to trustworthy sources.
How to stop spam emails permanently?
Now, let's get to the big question: how to stop spam emails permanently. While it's nearly impossible to completely eliminate spam, you can drastically reduce it by using the strategies we discussed earlier and adding a few more. 1. Change your email address. If you're receiving an unbearable amount of spam, you might consider changing your email address. Notify your contacts, and make sure you're cautious with who gets your new address. 2. Use disposable email addresses. Some email clients allow you to create temporary email addresses that forward to your inbox. You can give these out when you suspect you might get spam, and then delete them if you start receiving spam. 3. Employ third-party anti-spam tools. There are several tools available that can filter spam more aggressively than the standard filters in most email clients. And that's it. While it's impossible to completely stop all spam, by following these tips you can significantly reduce the amount of spam you receive and keep your inbox clean and secure. Remember, the key to a spam-free inbox is being careful about who gets your email address, using tools at your disposal like spam filters and disposable email addresses, and never responding to spam. I hope you found this guide useful, and here's to a less cluttered inbox.